Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 13, right? That's so surprising though because we have like 12 more days to reach the day 25. You see how quickly time moves? At the start of this, I thought, you know what, it's not going to be possible for me to do. But look at us. Here we are now. Anyways, it is it's early in the morning. It's 9:12 right now. We are going on the road today. We're just gonna yeah, we're running a little errand, a couple errands and stuff like that. And then mom also told me last minute that we're going to Fontana. Everybody's supposed to know that that's my favorite place by now. Love Fontana. So I am going to try to get just some things, just like some smaller things, because it's just my room is not decorated yet. Womp womp. I just didn't get the time to go there to get it, but no, I definitely have the time and I can totally do it. Like after I'm done this evening, I can come home and I think like I can redecorate the room. Like, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I can like put up the decorations and like change the other stuff the other day, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna go there, browse and look and like see which things I can get and if I need them or so be the case. Like I don't really want much, you know. But it's not like to little something from my wall, a little something from my chest jar or from my dresser. And that's about it. That's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my clothes now. I'm trying to take mom's advice and yeah, trying to take mom's advice and wear more of my clothes. That's just the advice. I'm trying to take her advice on wear more clothes. So today we're going with this blue maxi dress. And let me tell you people, I think it's maybe been about maybe a year and a half since I bought that and I've never worn it. Not one place, nowhere. So we're gonna wear it today. I was choosing between it and another dress, but the other dress was a little bit too much for the day, so I was like, you know what, this is it. So let's go put on the dress. Okay guys, the dress is on. Let's step back. This is the back of it. Just a little crisscross moments at the back. And this is the front. Just like really plain. Has a little, you know, to the side. But that's that. I showed mom a while ago. She really likes it. She likes it. I don't know why I've never worn it. I think maybe because I thought that this dress was just like only for, you know, like special moments, something like that. And I'm like, why would I think that this dress is for like special moments? Like this is it's a casual, but casual like evening in a way. I used to wear all of my clothes all the time, but I don't know, over time I just felt like I've stopped, and I do definitely need to get back into, you know, wearing all of my clothes as my mom says, because I have a lot of clothes and I used to dip my toe into different you know, ways to wear them and this and that. But over time, obviously I grew up and I realized that some of the clothes weren't really my speed anymore, but I still love dresses no matter what the style, what the cut. I love dresses and I really like this and I thought that I would wear it today. So I'm wearing this today. Mom likes it. I'm not sure what bag I'll be wearing with this, but we will see. And yeah, I'm gonna do my hair now. Funniest thing is my hair is no longer in braids, or you can be like, oh, just swoop the edges and you're out. No, I have to catch up the ear, I have to catch it up. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair now. This is my hair. So I'm doing just a regular updo. Then I'm going to do a regular updo for just look it back in a one going back. That is the the question. Okay guys, I'm all ready, but surprisingly the rest of my family is not ready. Well, it's fine. Nothing's wrong with being the person that gets ready that's ready first, because I'm always the one who ready last. Anyways, I decided to just pair it with this black bag. I didn't want to dress it up too much because like I'm just getting here. It's not very special. I love it, but at the same time I don't want to second guess it because this is not something I would really wear under one night out. But it's okay, it's cool. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, so I said dressing it like just with this black bag, I just my regular outer necklace, regular bracelets, regular hoop earrings, and I have lots of second piercing earrings here. I need to change these out and get new ones because I don't know, but like I forget that I have another ear piercing. I really forget about it, but yeah, I have to change it. So anyways, but that's the outfit for today. It's not like I can step outside of my comfort zone. This is something that I would wear, but like if I'm going to like dinner or something, but why wait till I forgot, you know? And I'm gonna do dinner no time soon. But anyways, yeah, this is my outfit for today, and I'm gonna wait on my parents, and then we're gonna go on the road. And when we're on the road, I will catch you guys back. Okay guys, we are here at Fontana. We're parking. And over on the other side is Price Mart. Quartz is right there. And the bank is right there. So like they're all in the same vicinity right here. Okay guys, so we're going into Quartz first. Just gonna look around because when I came here last I didn't really look at anything inside here like that, so Mommy's here today, so we're gonna look around.
Yeah, tell people to me look at the Price Mart that across the road.
Yeah, they're right over there, so but I like the fencing, block it off and stuff.
Should I make a drive through?
Maybe they will. So we're inside.
Somebody make people and things say I buy, so I just look.
We never said that.
No, because you drive them say mommy in the little like.
Yeah, they have upstairs, but the upstairs not really like well put out. I guess they're still fixing upstairs.
The kitchen area I feel look weird. What is 29,900? 30,000? Oh, alright. Oh,
these are just the mixers. These are the mixers.
Hamilton Beach. Oh, see the bowl is here. Oh, Jesus. Why is this so... Oh, this is a commercial. This is a good one.
Yeah, this is a commercial.
This is a commercial. But where is the price?
I don't think, maybe they don't have any in stock, which is why there's no price.
No, these seem that they are new.
Yeah. but they didn't put a price on them.
This is the commercial with the every. This is nice though. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is nice. Red or black, which one you prefer?
Neither. I'm not really a red or black person when it comes to appliances. More silver, stainless steel.
This good. I don't even know how to. Oh, you have to plug it in to get the bowl to lift on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Toaster ovens?
There's anything against the law, are you?
Yeah.
Sure, there's something they come in and
Some of the toaster ovens have like air fryers in there.
No, I'm saying because the air fryers, some of different one come in now.
Oh.
I'm wondering.
But some of the toaster oven them have like air fryer features.
Some help?
Yes, we're looking here. Thank you.
My head tie nice, thank you. Head tie nice. I first I'm gonna compliment me for my head tie. Hey, I got a little something, the things I want for me as a young guy just compliment me for my head tie. So that days are done.
These are machine. This isn't the sort. This is no.
Yeah, it
this
is.
one. Yes, it is. This looks way smaller inside here.
Yeah, this seems to be smaller. This seems to be bigger. But when we are in the washroom, it looks really big.
Yeah, it looks really big.
You know why? This is an
open space. Yeah, that's why.
That's why.
There were more confined space inside there.
What's this?
Compared to the other ones, might seem small.
Okay, but I think it's fine. It's okay. It's a little people quartz. Yeah,
This is what? Oh, this is the same washers too.
Yeah. What, Samsung?
No, I'm saying this is a washer too. That's what I was asking.
Then they like for one up a yard, you know, one up a country.
So for like a single person.
Yeah. I mean,
Which is fine.
Open it up them in the system.
Single or maybe like two people. Yeah.
I want this to work for your family of four.
Yeah.
I think it's no, the one up there is like this. It's not, yeah, it's just like, no, it's just
look like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little, you see that? This is a little, yeah. It's just like this, but I think it's,
This is a washer too?
Yes,
Yeah.
this is a top load.
Because it looks like it has a look of a dryer in a way, that's why.
Top load? We don't get top load dryer Jamaica to all that.
Really?
World.
Or like they don't do them anymore or anything like that?
I don't know. They have them, but Jamaica, we never see them.
Okay.
And just like I just recent, maybe 2 years ago, I see front load washer, appear top load with that.
Okay.
So family, we are just looking. Come we go in a Fontan. Come just go get one. You know, I'm looking at this.
You know, so we are walking around front because when I went in there last time, I didn't actually get to walk around. I just picked up. Yeah, I just picked up the stuff at the front and left.
I really look on this. Really look on.
What, the fridge? Oh.
One side is refrigerator and the other side is
Freezer?
freezer. This is the freezer.
No.
Yes.
No.
This is the
No, that's what I'm
refrigerator.
talking about. I'm saying no to the...
It's wide, but it's like shallow. It's not
It's
deep.
very shallow and I don't like that. I don't like shallow fridges.
But that's all they are. These type of refrigerators. That's all. So you have to look at. Yeah, so we used to the deep fridge.
And the deep fridges hold more space. I'm not
You
really...
don't like it. Ask the people them to
No.
comment. But look at the price. How much is it? 75,000, I would think so.
You said no.
I
They're
wish
saying
it was.
save 75.
You're saving
So it's a little-
75,000 off this. Like, babe, you can buy one set separate. You know, this is it's fridge there. It's a 90 cubic.
Still super
Where are the
shallow.
extra parts for here?
I'm guessing they haven't put them in as
Them
it
not
like
put
it's
them in,
it's
yes,
shallow.
yes,
I don't
I know.
really like.
It's really shallow.
It's shallow.
but
I'm
look
not
at
liking it.
This is not really meant for your house, you know.
No,
This is
meant
more.
for...
It's more like a commercial. It is more meant like if you're doing pastry, or you know you're in
So,
any
but
form of
even if
restaurant or
you're
something.
doing pastry and that type of stuff, don't you need space to like put in? You need to chill something or whatever. Don't you need space in there? There's no
In
space.
the refrigerator and chill. You mean like different racks?
Yeah, there's none of that. So
Yeah. Them must have them the summer sea space then. This refrigerator, this freezer is not the best one for like you have to display cakes and stuff. No, this is not the right one.
something I don't really like it.
A lot of people mess with them. This is sturdy though. Feel it right here.
Then it
really
must
good.
then it must 33
They
price.
never must have to be, and you know, right here. You have to look at the features in a call. these shells are stainless steel. Feel the shells.
Yeah.
These are commercially.
No, it looks like
So you have to
it's
look at the
it looks like
features.
it's good material
It
for
may look
it,
like it is.
but it's just that I don't like how shallow
It's not
it is, and that's just me.
But me never need to like it. But me I kind of like, you know.
Well, that's
You
just
don't take
me.
this car going
It's not
to
my
your
speed.
house. So you go, you have to take
Some
this
people will put
car
them.
and forget money.
Some people will put there in their house. Everybody's
if you have a
different.
Big family. But I wouldn't want this in my kitchen. I would have it in my basement.
Everybody
as a backup.
Everybody is different.
But if you want this part, which is the refrigerator, this is the part I'm interested in. This part.
That's the freezer.
That's a freezer. This is the part because
Just
they're
think that's-
separate.
That's
I'm
just
honestly
super duper shallow. Which I like better.
Let's go do what we can.
So we're gonna go to fun. This is our stove.
What name?
It's a Mabi.
Good morning. We are looking. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Mabi.
Yeah, this is Mabi.
If you know one thing I like about them door.
Oh, they're heavy.
You know them civilized time. I want to rock in the oven. Come on, Mabi. Talk to me.
Maybe them don't put the next one in India. Them more than likely, yeah, them more than likely have the second.
Them door, them oven door. And this is like the white too.
We're going to Fontana now. Yeah, it's always fresh and nice inside these spaces. This is it. No, this is just one long stretch. These are all the bags. This is the bags.
Yeah, I plan to stay in here so long. I want 2 gift bags. And that's about
That's my problem. I need more than 2.
Yeah, you're lucky. What the gift bag? What something there? No, they have paper them. They wrap the thing in and then put it in.
You mean these?
One's hungry.
Because we haven't eaten. Neither
No,
have
not
I.
these. The other ones.
You mean the tissue papers? I don't.
These are the only gift bag they have?
These. Here are some here too.
Oh, some big ones.
Yeah.
American bright olive.
Yeah, do this big everlasting bag.
Because the stuff that I have is gonna be big. No, man. Because you're going like you know you want to work. You really want to if I put on my head and want to blow.
What hot? You know, I can't see them thing and something there with you sometime. I'm not sure.
One of these. Why would I want to buy?
Why would you want one of these? This is just for
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
That's just for Christmas.
But we can't use it after you add in your big in the ear.
That's it, yeah.
At least I'm not going to out so we can't wear it.
You want that big bag?
We'll be see them at the next desk. This is nice.
This is cute. Yeah, I really do like this. Is cute.
This is really nice. I'm wondering if
They can fit in there? I feel so.
yes, it can. Look
Yes,
at it.
yeah.
Yes, it can.
Yes, I think you can go with this.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is $6.50. I think you can go with
This is
this.
really nice. I think I like it. And
Yeah, that's so cute. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
it's pretty. Saying Christmas wishes.
Yeah, I like that.
I mean, definitely have to get the cheese something. And
You want another
we choose
one?
the other one, you know. This
Like with the same size?
I miss that man.
This one's cute too. It's kind of like the same vibe, but this one's
I
cute.
don't want to.
You don't want the same vibe. What about this?
We can't take the coloration. We can color my eyes sick, you know.
Oh yeah, get the bag, boy. Your eyes sick.
But I have to see it until I'm ready for delivery.
Oh yeah, Santa. Sorry.
Yeah, me as Santa.
I'm gonna say work on that call. That one's kind of boring to me,
I
but
know, it's kind of
not really. Tickling my fancy.
fancy, all look typical.
I'm putting on big old box. A joke.
But, well, we can't sit down here, so.
This? Oh, that's cute. I like that. I like this.
Me have to go kind of maybe take it out and fix it away.
For sure.
So I think I'll take this.
Maybe whatever we get it in, we just don't take it out of that. That's it. Because they're going to, like, you know, compress it and whatnot and everything.
So I take it out of the compressor?
No. Keep it in there.
Okay, it's nice. So we're not going to wrap it in and nothing. I don't really want to buy no more gift paper.
You don't have to wrap it in anything.
I don't know. Look here. What you there?
To me here. What's that? The tall ones?
Yeah.
Down here, I think. And some are on the other side too, I think. See them up there, so those ones. Yeah.
That's you know.
You said that me come in here for you know.
I mean this you know. Hey
I'm
guys,
not
this is me. That's what I came in here for. I'm done.
and the dolly finish. I was looking for something cute to paste on my wall, but it's giving very much to people that buy out everything. These are oils, yeah.
These are cute.
These?
How much that?
1,999.
It's
That's cute.
19,000. You're kidding.
No, 1,999.
This is nice.
It's cute. I like it.
What's this for? This
It's
would make
a
nice
reed diffuser. Yes, it's a diffuser.
This would make a nice gift for somebody.
For someone.
Yes, this would really make a nice gift. For real, for real. But this would really make a nice gift.
Like I'm guessing like the oil is inside there.
Yeah, but you don't know.
And how if you use it.
So you'd have to have your diffuser.
It says fresh cotton. The smell is fresh cotton.
Fresh cotton. And cotton smell.
Doesn't know.
So what's this now? You would burn
See
it
the tissue paper them there on there, so far back down there.
So how does this work now?
They said see the back of it for the instructions. So the instructions are at the back of it on how you really use it, I guess.
Okay.
These are candles and stuff. Are you a candle person?
Good morning, miss. Thank you. No, I'm not. You know I'm
You
not.
don't like candles?
No, I'm not a candle person.
I love
After me
candles.
go through fire, I'm gonna plant the place.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do candle.
I love candles though. They smell so nice.
Then I put plastic box, they put in a bag, me and then go bed.
Plastic
No, I don't
box?
have a bag. I just joke.
Me can't take one of them. These are platters. They're cute.
These are like, what them some charger?
Chargers.
Me never eat food again much as to go sit down on table with charger. Oh, this is nice. What's this?
It's like a little.
I don't even know what it is, but I like white and it looks good. What is it?
I don't know.
Is it a planter? Look.
Yes, it's a planter. It says planter on it.
How much for you?
10,000.
Alright.
Oh, these are something, you know. You can
I
like.
don't like artificial flowers.
No.
I like artificial flowers. You let us see if they have planters.
If they have more.
Planters, not that.
You mean? Oh, you mean like? Oh, you mean? Oh, oh no, this is a household.
No, I mean like I want to transfer one of them snake one. This is nice though, but whatever you're gonna need it for, this is so cute.
Oh, I like that. Colors are cute.
What is this?
I think it's like a little basket.
Okay, yeah. No, I was asked. It's a set. It's a set. It's nice.
Oh, it comes all together.
I don't think so. You leave it have to put plastic. Like you can stock a girly thing, like you can stock like stuff in this. The biscuit them. It's a little hiding thing this. You can use it as a little hiding thing. Okay.
This ain't our section, darling, down there. We don't have any kids. Do you?
No, yeah, me have kids. Me have 2 old taco ram.
We don't all. Stop
Let me
telling
see
people
this.
them those lies.
Okay, I know.
Well, I have to change this. Yeah. It just fell off the star on top of it.
Try to put this on the people getting them on Friday.
Well, these are cute. These are journals.
What?
These are journals. These are cute.
You see, I have some in the thing there.
I actually do need a new one. Malcolm. This is what? Oh, this is like hair care.
paper them.
Oh, the tissue
One day
papers?
your daddy no come because I know where you're going to pick up in.
Yes, I'm gonna pick up a thing. I don't pick up nothing.
We have enough tape. Well, we don't have that much of tape, you know. I think we have one half roll of tape in the bag.
Down here, right down here is like kitchen.
You know
Cups
something
and
I'm first?
all this.
Mind your...
No, I got it.
We are almost through now. Thank you.
We're just looking at. That's not bad for them to look about, huh? And it looks sturdy too.
Then look cute.
Mm-hmm.
They look cute like cute. They're very weighty too.
Yeah, they look like they're weighty.
I mean, I really want more white.
Yeah, I really want a more bowl.
Let me tell you now. Want to come out?
Then come now. Oh, you want the tissue paper now?
No, no, that.
Yeah, but alright, me get it for you another time.
We
Because I haven't bought my bags and stuff. Me get them.
Non-stick.
Ow.
Calphalon. Crackpot there. Crackpot, look at the little one, like the big fella.
One of the small ones. Yeah.
Oh God.
So guys, I'm back home. It's 2:11 now, and we did all we needed to do. Got what we needed to get. We didn't really do much, honestly. Surprisingly, the time went by really fast while we were on the road, which is crazy because we didn't really do much. But still be the case, so it's done. Anyways, so I'm back home. I'm kind of tired, honestly. But I have another video to record with mom, and then I have to edit, and I think that's about it for me for this evening. Oh, lie. I have to pull up my hair. So after I'm done with like all of my recording and all of that other stuff, I need to pull up my hair, section it up, detangle it, because tomorrow morning, washing, deep condition, all of those lovely things, blow drying, all of that stuff, and then I'm gonna start braiding my hair in the evening portion of the day. So that's what I have to do tomorrow, and I'm taking you guys with me on that little maintenance journey of, like, you know, doing my hair and my nails and all of that stuff, lots of type of stuff. So yeah, you'll see the full transformation of me. I want to get everything done by hopefully Friday. Today is Wednesday, meaning I literally have Thursday and Friday. So maybe like let me not say Friday, but maybe like Friday night or Saturday morning, because I do have somewhere to go on Saturday. I have something to pick up. But I would say like about hopefully by Saturday morning I'll get to finish. If I start my hair on Thursday, I can finish my hair on Friday. I'm a type of person, when I start my hair, I like to reach at least halfway or 3/4 of the way before I break on it and finish it up another day. More than likely I'm probably going to start in the evening hours and then move on further. I personally, I do my hair most of the time in the nights. I have a show or something, you know, just to keep me entertained in the meantime while I'm doing the hair. And then whenever I just get tired, I get tired, and then I finish it up the next day, and that's really it. The good thing with this hair, I'm not, you know, completely braiding it all the way down. It has curls at the end, so I don't have to worry about that. And when I blow dry my hair, it's way easier to work with. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed, you know, seeing lots of places that we went today, the inside of them, what they have, all of them, lots of type of stuff, their interactions and all of that stuff. So this is the end of Vlogmas day 13, and day 14 is coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.